why do ugly guys feel that? Why do they have this like self entitlement to like beautiful women?
I don't think ugly guys have self entitlement to beautiful women. I don't think that's true.
No, because like I never like, from my personal experience, right? I've never met a guy like who's good looking,
Mm.
who basically, even if I tell him, look, I have a boyfriend and whatnot, he'll be like, oh, all right, yeah, let me know if you guys ever break up. Like he will say things like that jokingly,
Mm.
but then it's like a guy who's like a three, he's like overweight, probably bald, and he thinks like he has some sort of, just because he has money, he thinks like he has the right to be with me kind of thing.
Yeah, but hold on. Don't most of you women say that you want a guy with money? Like that's the first thing you care about. So obviously, if he's a guy with money, obviously he should be trying you because a lot of women say they want a guy with money.
I mean, I think in your 20s, I don't think money is good, the holidays, the shopping and all that. But then again, I don't want to be pictured with like
Hold on,
a
hold on,
short,
hold on,
ugly,
hold
bald
on,
guy.
hold on, hold on, Summer. Ain't you the same person that said you want a guy that makes £250,000, pound sterling, a year?
No, but this is like in the future, not anywhere near now.
Oh my god, bruh, Summer. You didn't say in the future when we was having that conversation. You said today. You was talking about today. Yeah, you didn't
No,
say
no,
the
no. I was saying
future.
like, I meant like if I got married, like I would like a guy who's like was a wealthy guy, who can leave his children, good amount of inheritance.
Okay, so basically what you're saying is right now, yeah, you just want guys that are good lookings to throw your box to. Yeah?
Not even throw my box to, like when you're this age, you just want like a good looking guy, on your arm. Like
Yeah, but
you
you're
don't
no,
want
but
some
listen,
ugly guy
listen.
holding your
Yeah, but
waist.
you're saying you just said that when you're talking about a guy having money, you're talking about to get married to. So obviously, right now, you're not trying to get married. Right now, you just want a guy that looks good. Right?
Yeah, I do. I'm not gonna lie. Like
Yeah,
I
so
want a
you're
good
throwing
looking
your
guy,
box. So you're throwing your box to this guy. You're throwing your box to him because he looks good, and that's it.
I mean, I don't want to throw I've thrown it 3 times. I mean,
You're throwing
I'm
box, man. Just accept it, bro.
no, but that's no. Honestly, right now, I don't mind like going out for a coffee, like hanging out like friends and things like that. But then I
Mm.
get these guys who are not even good looking. Like they come up to me and they're like, "Oh, where you from? Can you drop those numbers?" And I'm like, "Do you even look at yourself? Like, what makes you think you can get a girl like
Okay,
me?
what did
Don't
these
need
what
some."
give me a typical example of what these guys look like try to hold at you that you feel are beneath you. What's the typical traits that make you feel like they're not good looking, they're ugly?
They're not well dressed, number one. I mean, they're wearing like tracksuits, and how do I explain it? He basically looks like one of them idiots that stand in road corners looking
Oh,
at looking at women, and their hair look like they haven't brushed it in like years, bald patches, and
bald
you just think,
patches.
yeah, bald patches. Like
That's
I don't know if
mad.
it's
Like, but
a
that, but do you know what that kind of says something about you? Why do they feel so confident to approach you?
But that's what I'm saying. Like, why do they think? Like, do they not think to them? Is it confidence that they're doing this, or are they on drugs? Like, I can't tell.
No, it's just in a man's natural instinct to be a hunter. So even if the guy does dress like a bum or a pothead, he's still gonna try it. You never know. I mean, think about it. You've seen girls that are decent looking with guys that look like they're just potheads. You've seen that. I've seen that loads of times. They had to have approached that girl for that to happen.
Mm. I know, but they come across so confident, as if like they talk like as if they're gonna get you any minute now.
But if
And
they
then you see
didn't,
like good-looking
but
guys.
it's every man has to come across confident. If a guy, even if a guy who is well dressed, blah blah blah, comes up to you and he's stuttering and hello, what's your name? I saw you. You look so beautiful. You're gonna be looking at him like, what the get away from me, you weirdo.
No, I actually find it cute when guys are like shy and
If a guy's stuttering,
intimidated.
if a guy comes up to you, he's stuttering and he looks like he's about to wet himself, you're telling me that's cute and you would give him your number and go out
Honestly,
with
I
him.
would. I think I would like even give him a hug. Like it's okay.
You'd give him a
I'm not a
hug.
monster.
You don't know this guy from
Yeah,
nowhere.
honestly.
You
No,
are
honestly,
capping.
if I see
You
him,
are
like,
capping.
you know, if he,
You
no,
are
honestly, if
capping,
he
fam.
approached me,
I want to see
if he,
caps all along the screen, all in the chat. I just want to see caps. That's all I want to see, because that's
no, I'm not
absolute
capping, honestly.
nonsense. That's not true, Sam. I
No,
don't believe you.
no, honestly, I've seen good-looking guys, right, who I would rate 9, 10, and they were stuttering. Yeah? They
Yeah, but
walked up
those are,
to me and they're
yeah,
like,
but
"Oh,
that's
I haven't
different.
seen."
Yeah, but someone that's different. A guy that is like a 9 or a 10 in looks, where 10 doesn't really exist. So let's just say a guy that's a Chad or Tyrone or whatever, yeah, and he approaches
Mm.
you, yeah, you're gonna give him that allowance that, yeah, he's stuttering, he's shy, he hasn't really got game. Of course you're gonna allow him because he looks good. If the guy's average
Well,
looking
yeah, that's
now,
what I'm saying.
no, but I'm saying to you,
Yeah.
if the guy was average looking, he's not necessarily bad looking, but he's just average, you probably won't give him that same allowance.
No, if he came to me in a respectful way, like if he said hi, my name is such and such, what's your name? You know,
No,
I
not
was
he. No,
hoping.
no, no, not like that. He
Like,
comes up to you like, um, excuse, excuse me, my name's Jeff. I saw you across the room, and I think you're really um, I think you're really really gorgeous. You're gonna be like, what?
no, I would probably think, is he drunk? I'll say,
No,
oh,
he's not
thank you, and
drunk,
then just
bruv.
keep walking.
He's not drunk. He's shook. He's not drunk. He's shook. That's what
I've
he
never had that
is.
experience.
Bro, you talking about
I've,
you'll
I've
give him a
never.
hug and that. That is cap.
No, if he was cute, I definitely would. But if he was like stuttering and looking all weird and shit, I'd probably be like, oh, thank you, I appreciate it, and then just keep walking. I was just thinking, why are the good-looking guys not as confident as these, street bystanders?
Because they have to. If you're a good looking guy, you don't have to be super confident with all the game because you're good looking. You've already
Is it
you're
because they're
already
ugly,
winning
so
on the
they
look.
have to
You listen,
compensate?
you're already winning with the looks test. The girl's already gonna look at you and think, rah, he's alright, I would sleep with him. The girl's already had the listen, when people usually make the decision in their head if they would sleep with someone on the first look, before somebody's even spoke. I knew one guy growing up who, he was quote unquote Tyrone. He was 6'3", he played basketball, athletic, all of that, had, I guess, a baby face, whatever. Girls loved him. He was a nerd. He was a geek. He didn't have no game, no nothing, bruv. And he used to sleep with a lot of the bad bees in my school at the time. And guess what? After they would sleep with him, they would start dissing him and say that he's a geek and he has no game and he's lame. But guess what? He still slept with them. So what difference does it make? Because he got in with the looks test. If you're an unattractive dude, you don't have that allowance. You don't just get in just because a girl looks at you and thinks, he's fine. No, you gotta have confidence. You better be confident, bruv. Because guess what? You're not
Yeah.
attractive. So you have to be confident. Because a lot of girls, a lot of women, they believe it or not, there's women out there that if a guy's confident, they will sleep with that guy because that confidence is attractive.